What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Sunny is going to
Santorini.
Why are we going?
Because it's our 2-year anniversary. And right now it's like 6 a.m. We've been at the airport since 4 a.m. I'm just pretending to be enthusiastic even though I'm fucking tired. We're gonna go to our car rental place now. So this is the car we got. Y'all, we're in the car and we're going to our hotel. The car is so nice. Like, I literally love it. We have our own like speaker and shit to it, even though we bought a speaker just in case.
I was ready for the beach then.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're just eating a lot of breakfast because we're quite hungry.
This is thick.
Right, there you go.
It's only for 3.8 euros. Of course I got this. Greek wine tastes interesting. I don't know if it's because I had salamis earlier or if I don't mind it at all, the taste. It just doesn't taste like the normal wine. It tastes like grandmother's.
Grandma's what?
Just grandmother's clothes.
Sunny just broke the handle. Good thing we got the insurance, yeah? Funny, the history about the Red Beach, ancient Greek, when it was like Sparta, I don't know what's it called, the Sparta time. In the,
For real?
Yeah, it's for real.
Oh,
So,
I thought you meant for this beach.
yeah, the beach.
Oh, this
It's
beach?
because all the killing was here and then the blood spread it.
Oh, shut the fuck up. It's actually some volcanic. Dumb shit of the day. Wearing this to hide all that. When we got here, there were like literally nobody. Like, as you can see here, the entire beach is like filled with people. And now look,
All
not
the
only
boats.
people, but a lot of fucking boats. So we're one of the first, just saying. The heat is insane. If you can't see from the amount of sweat on our faces,
It's quite a lot.
and I usually don't sweat, so. Showered and now we're on the way to go to Panorama.
Yeah, it's a Greek restaurant.
Yeah, right by our Airbnb. We're gonna get Greek food. So now we're here at our restaurant. Look at the view. The window is open and everything. Food's here. Are you excited, baby?
I'm very excited.
They gave this to us for free. Long chimsy. That looks like yogurt. Is it yogurt?
No way, yeah. Like, I'm not a big fan of it, but I still eat it.
We finished our food. We're on our way to go to a market to get some
Moisturizer, because I got sunburn, so I need some after
aloe
sun
vera.
also.
He can't pronounce it.
I love beer.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the.
Good morning, y'all. This is our second day in Santorini. we're about to go to the black sand beach and then the nude beach and then back to the hotel to get ourselves ready, take some pictures, and then move to the other hotel and then get ready for our cruise.
Sounds an amazing plan.
It is a great plan. Let's do it. We are here, and by here is the black sand beach. Woo! No one's up yet, so we got this entire place by ourselves, even though we probably have to pay to get drinks or something to stay here. And if they come later on, I'm just gonna buy some drinks. We just took a couple pictures on the beach. We just set this camera on my timer, and then, yeah, we got a lot of great photos, so I'll put it in this thing. Oh my god, the weather is so incredibly hot. We got a smoothie, which is about to fucking melt.
I got some pizza and some breakfast from the bakery. I had to try it.
Not bad.
No.
It's just like an interesting mix.
It's pineapple, papaya, mango, right? What up, guys?
We are at the nude beach.
Ooh.
It's so far really gorgeous, and so are we.
I like.
It hurts so much. The sand is like little rocks, and it's hot and it's painful. I feel like I'm walking on little Legos. He ordered this by accident. They gave us now 2 coffee. Like, you're gonna be so hyper right now, but it's fine. Your problem.
My problem. Hello guys, welcome back to our thing.
Shut up. We're at the cruise place now. There's like a bunch of people in the back. As you can see, we got our sticker as well. Woo! Yeah, waiting for our boat to come.
A lot of people, too many. We got on the boat and we met some new friends.
We run away.
I was hers for saying.
When we're low, just chase the waves. We'll make it up as we go.
So we just jumped into the first water. Wow, so salty.
So cold!
I will say more salty than cold.
No, it's colder.
Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline. Don't get in our way 'cause we won't waste more time. We will go our way until we go flatline. Nothing in our way until we go flatline. We make our way, turn what we see to memories.
We finished our boat tour and it was literally the best experience of my life. Not to like over exaggerate things, but it was actually so nice. Like the sunset was so good and we met like amazing people from all around the world, ranging from America to England to, I don't know, mostly Americans and British, but they're great.
Puerto Rico was one also.
Yeah, and Sri Lankan,
Colombia,
Bangladesh.
I think so, yeah.
Like a lot of people. They're very fun people and we absolutely love them and we're trying to meet up with them later. We're back to the hotel now. Time to go to bed. See you tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It's our 3rd day in Santorini.
Santorini. Today we had Ia.
Yes, we're going to the Blue Domes in the morning, so we don't have to wait like a long time to take pictures.
That's what we've been told.
Yeah, because I've seen like on TikTok like the before and after, like the expectation versus reality. Bill is a dumbass. He took us to the wrong fucking place. So now we're not actually at the Blue Domes. We're still in Thera, not in Ia. We're going there now. Hopefully there's not a lot of tourists, because our plan just literally hit us in the face.
There's so many ways to be happy.
Water drive, huh? Beautiful landscape, mountains, no people on the road.
Right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow.
Yeah, after waiting on that line for like 30-40 minutes, we finally got to take pictures, and it only took us like 3 minutes, while others took like 10 minutes each. Yeah, there was one couple that used the baby as an excuse to like, oh, can we cut the line? We have a baby with us. And then they cut the line, and then the mom goes and takes many pictures. The baby took one picture and the dad took more pictures. You know, the moral of the story is rent a baby on eBay to cut lines. I came here for the souvenirs, and as you all know, I love shot glasses because I'm an alcoholic. We're heading home now for breakfast because we're hungry. I want some cold drinks.
Cold drinks is definitely on the list.
Ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
What's up, guys? So we heading to some bells. I think maybe that was 3 bells heard or something. I just googled what to do in Thera, and that is one of the things.
Yeah, they're blue also. And then after this, we're gonna go to our friend's hotel.
Okay, we found the 3 bells, and it is right there. You see? And then the view. The beautiful view.
You are like me.
We are with our friends here in Thera. Where's she? There. Back here. They got a jacuzzi. So nice. So we decided to get some ice cream at Kamara Beach. It's supposed to be the best one there, so
That's what Google says. I'm not so sure, but they also have euros, so I'm excited for that as well.
get some lunch in, and then we're heading to the Black Beach, Parisa.
Yes.
We are at a restaurant, but
Talk.
oh,
What about you learn how to talk?
it takes.
So basically, he can't talk, and we had a reservation initially at 6, but we asked him to move to 7:30 because it's like closer to sunset, and then we can't make it to the one at 7:30 because we went to the wrong place. Instead of Balkan on the Rocks, we went to the On the Rock Hotel. So then we had to call them and change the time to 8 instead.
I met Alexander from Liverpool. They're right back,
He's hot as fuck
and he's here.
with his girlfriend.
Baby, are you forgetting our history? A desperate voice inside your mind recall that we were kids that didn't know, but we grew.
Enjoying the amazing view with this amazing girl. Thank you for finding this place. It's amazing.
After dinner, we're back to our hotel. Actually, our new hotel. We just checked in and it's super nice. Let me show you. The outside is even better, so I'm gonna show you that tomorrow. I'm gonna take a restroom.
That's just like.
Good night.
Hello guys, we are back at the new beach because that is just on my bucket list, so I'm gonna do that.
And this is our our last day, so it's kind of sad.
It is
After
sad.
the main beach, we're trying to go back to our hotel and chill a little bit, and then after that, go to like a seafood restaurant for some risotto.
Yeah, we just took some photos at an old hotel because we thought it needed some extra credit. So now we're here. I did it. I went naked on the beach and it was free. It was nice. I can cross that on my bucket list.
We're at the airport now. It's so sad that our trip finally came to an end. Anyway, thank you so much for watching till the end. This is our 2-year anniversary vlog, but please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.